I cannot believe what I'm about to say, but it must be said. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So we're about to sit here and talk about all the things I have been loving recently. I cannot wait to share these products. So let's get into it. All right, I took this off just for the video, but I'm gonna put it back on as soon as I stop talking about it because I need it right now. This right here is a Cordeless Heating Pad. Life-changing, okay? I've had this thing for almost 2 years now, and it has been everything. It's super thin. You can wear it under your clothes. And I got it off Amazon. I will try to find the link. Hopefully they still have it on there. But I'll try to have the link. I'll try to find the link and have it down below for you guys. But yes, if you're at work, if you are driving, anything, and you're cramping, this comes in handy. It has a little battery pack right here, and you just charge it up like you charge, you know, anything else like your phone and stuff like that. So you just stick the charger right there, and it stays on the belt too. So, and it's super comfortable. You can barely feel it. It's super thin. You can't see it under your clothes. Yes. So let me put this back on. It also has different heat settings. Hold on, y'all. Sorry. But yeah, it also has different heat settings. So if you like your heating pad to be really hot, like me, crank it up to the highest. And if you don't want it too hot, there is a setting on there where it won't be too hot on your skin. But yes, Cordeless Heating Pad. If you don't have one, get it. I want to talk about a few products that I just shared with you guys in a Target haul. So 2 products from Venus. This one is the Daily Soothing Serum, and then I have the Hair and Skin Softening Oil. So I've been using these 2 pretty much every day, not just when I shave. So if you get Brazilian waxes or if you shave your bikini area, these products are really good to use after. But you can use it every day, like I said. But yeah, the Daily Soothing Serum is what I go in with first, and then I top it off with the Hair and Skin Softening Oil. And I've noticed a huge difference from using these every day. My skin is softer. It's not as irritated when it's getting close to time to shave again. It doesn't, like, it's just not as irritated as it used to be. So really been enjoying these. And I have also been loving this feminine wash that I got from Target. It's by the brand Good Wash, and it's called Down There Wash, which is like, that's what it's called, Down There Wash. But yes, I've really been enjoying this. I used to use a honey pot all the time, but I just kind of wanted to switch it up. And plus all the reviews on this was like, everybody was hyping this up. So I wanted to give it a try. It's super affordable. So I have really been enjoying this one. And this is the rose water one. Really, really nice. Very gentle too, which I love. So this next thing is Influence. So it's a body scrub. The Glam Twins said that this scrub was better than Tree Hut. And I was like, okay, what drugstore body scrub is better than Tree Hut? So this is the Raw Sugar Scrub. And when they said it was better than Tree Hut, I put it in my cart so fast. You can get this from Target, by the way. But yes, the Raw Sugar Scrub. Y'all, what can I compare this to? No, I can't even compare it to that one. Let me just say this. If you've tried the Olay body conditioner, y'all know how your skin feels soft after you get out the shower. It feels like you have on a body oil or some type of body butter. That is exactly what it feels like when I use this. And I don't get that feeling when I use the Tree Hut body scrubs. I feel like they feel the same, but my skin is more softer, more smooth, and more moisturized when I use this one. This is the Raw Coconut Mango, and I am almost out of this thing. So as soon as I finish this one up, I'm gonna work on the one that I just showed in my recent Target haul. But yes, this is good. Okay, so I have 2 more body products, and then we'll move on to some other things. So the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Body Cream. Now, I actually got this the same time that I got the Summer Fridays, and I did like a mini product update on the Summer Fridays body lotion in a vlog. So if you don't watch my vlogs, I did not really like the Summer Fridays body lotion, but this one I really like. Now this smells really sweet and fruity. So if you don't like that type of scent on your body, you ain't gonna like this, because I feel like this, it actually kind of lingers. On me it does. I can still smell it throughout the day on my body. But anyway, I like how this feels on my skin. I like how moisturizing it is. It gives me a nice subtle glow, and it just feels good and smells good on my body. So definitely been enjoying this. I don't know if you guys can see the shadow. There we go. So right here, you can see I'm halfway done with this stuff right there. I cannot believe what I'm about to say, but it must be said. The Josie, see, I'm already messing up. Josie Maran body butter is better than the Laura Mercier body butter. Yes, I said it. Y'all know Laura Mercier is my favorite body cream. Well, my favorite high-end body cream. But girl, ever since I tried this out, let's just say this, ever since I have been using this, because the first time I tried it out, I was like, okay, I love it, and I also love Laura Mercier, so I kind of love them equally. But when I was using this more and more after I get out of the shower, girl, this stuff is everything. Your skin glows with this. It is soft. The scent is okay, wait, let me take that back. The scent smells really good. I got the vanilla bean, but if I had to compare this vanilla with the Laura Mercier vanilla, the Laura Mercier vanilla is better in my opinion. This is more subtle and soft, and it's not as strong as Laura Mercier, but it still smells really good. It smells really good. But as far as how my skin feels and looks when I'm wearing this beats Laura Mercier. I actually have it on right now. I'm gonna see if y'all can see. Look at that. Look at my shoulder. The glow. I don't even have anything else on, just this. And it's still glowy and smooth. You guys know I love me some candles. This one from DW Home is the coconut milk. I mean, it speaks for itself. I am done with this. This is one of the most soothing scented candles I've tried. It's not too strong. It's not too subtle. It's just that perfect medium. And it has, let's see, sweet and creamy coconut milk enhanced with smooth vanilla and a dash of pure sugar cane. I mean, like the description right there, girl. I forgot how much this one was, but usually like candles like these from like Home Goods and stuff are pretty affordable. This is 8.5 ounces. So yeah, the coconut milk candle. Let's talk about this fragrance, y'all. Let's just talk about it. It's the Ellis Brooklyn FABLE. This has become my favorite spring scent. My favorite, like top favorite spring scent. And I know that's saying a lot because I have quite a few favorite perfumes, but this, spring in a bottle. That's all I can say. Spring in a bottle. It's sweet. It's kind of florally. It's soothing. It's girly. It's I'm gonna have the notes on the screen. And it's also a clean brand on Sephora. If you tried the fresh fragrance, not fresh, the Reserve fragrances, y'all know those are really fresh and just really soft and fresh and inviting. That's what this kind of gives me, but it's really, it's not super sweet, but it's a good sweetness. But it's just literally spring in a bottle, you guys. Like, you have to smell it. Again, it's the Ellis Brooklyn FABLE. Really nice. So let me put you guys on a toner that has taken the place of my Ola Henriksen dark spot toner. This one by Freck Beauty is the Cactus Water Cleansing Lactic Acid Toner. I mean, y'all can see here. And y'all know I just got this. Well, yeah, I got this it's been a minute, not too long ago, but recently I got it during the Sephora sale, and I did it in a haul, my last Sephora haul. But yes, I like this. I've been using this pretty much every day, pretty much ever since I showed it in my haul, and I have noticed a change in my skin up here on my forehead, because I have been breaking out on my forehead, and after using this consistently, I have noticed a huge change, because I had like little tiny, really tiny bumps along my hairline and also down right in here. I still have a few of them, but it's not as bad as it was, and I'm still trying to figure out what I'm breaking out from. But yeah, I have noticed a little change up here on the forehead after using this consistently. So this definitely has taken its place, taken the place of my Ole Henry Skin Dark Spot Toner. Love it. And the bottle is cute too. I have another product that has taken the place of another one of my favorite products, which was the Cover FX Dewy Mist. This is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist, and I like this one better than the Cover FX because I have noticed when using this, well, not using it, but when wearing it all day, I noticed with the Cover FX, my skin looks more, I mean, it still gives me the glow, like the dew that I like, the dewiness that I like. But between this one and Cover FX, this one doesn't make my skin look as, I don't want to say greasy, but I want to say greasy. I feel like Cover FX Dewy Mist gives me more of a oily glow, and this one gives me more of a, this is what I have on my face right now, by the way. It gives me more of a natural dew, but not dewy dew, if that makes sense. Anyway, I like this one better than the Cover FX. I've been using my Cover FX Dewy Mist for a long time, so this has taken its place, and as soon as I finish this one up, I'm going to go ahead and get the large size. And I know I'm kind of late with using this. This has been out for a good minute, but better late than never. I don't have a lot of makeup products. I have like 4 little products, and they're actually in the same category, kind of, sort of. But before we talk about makeup, I want to talk about my night cream. This is the Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Dream Face Cream. So this is the last thing I put on my face before I go to bed. So I wash my face, do my, you know, my treatment cream, which is from Curology, moisturizer, and then I go in with this. Honestly, I don't have to use a moisturizer before using this because this is pretty thick. I mean, this is a moisturizer, but I still like to have the extra hydration on my skin. But this right here is so nice. You know how sometimes when you wake up and you look in the mirror and it looks like you didn't even do like a night routine? It just makes like your skin looks dried out, or it just looks blah. This makes the skin glowy, like it keeps the moisture in. It just makes the skin plump and glowy and fresh looking. So I've really been enjoying this and just using it pretty much every night. But yeah, this is the Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Dream Face Cream. So makeup. I have, let's just go ahead and dive into it. So Danessa Myricks Cream Bronzer, you guys. I have never been the one to like cream bronzers, like cream bronzers, cream contours, like that has never been me. But since trying this out, this is what I have on today too, by the way. But since I've been trying this out, since I've been using this, this has, I can't put it down. It's just so good. This is the most creamiest, rich, warm bronzer, and you need the smallest amount of this. If you go in heavy-handed with this, it's gonna look very muddy. So you want to take your brush, lightly tap it in there, and then just buff it around the face. Girl, get it. Another product that I have on my face right now is the Dior No Powder. The Dior Backstage Powder No Powder, and that is exactly what it is. It is a powder, but it looks like you don't have powder on. Like, for real. Like, look at my face. It is so good, you guys. This is in the shade 6N. It's so good. Oh, by the way, I use the shade Deep in the Danessa Myricks bronzer. But yes, if you don't like that powdery look, but you still want to set your makeup, this. So I have a mascara that is from Gucci, and y'all, I didn't even think I would like Gucci makeup. So I picked it up during the Sephora sale, and honestly, I don't need any more mascaras, but I've been using it ever since I hauled it to you guys, and it has been doing wonders with my lashes. I know y'all can't see my lashes because they're so tiny, but I like how it doesn't clump up. I like that the wand, it actually grips on to my lash and gives me a little length and all of that. So I like it. Last few things I have are lip products. One is actually one that I have on my, well, I had on my lips. I've just been sitting here talking and it's kind of going away, but this is the Danessa Myricks Glaze, and I have been obsessed. Hold on. Obsessed with this color. It's Cupcake. You can use these on your lips, your cheeks, your eyes. I personally like to use this only for my lips because it is the glaze. It's the glossy finish. But her matte, the matte ones, which I don't know why. I'm trying to get this off my finger. I don't know why I didn't even put it in this video. But the matte Colorfix creams. I keep getting the name because it's a long name. But it's the Colorfix lip, cheek, eye creams. And it's the matte finish. Those. The best cream eyeshadow I've ever tried. So if y'all are looking for a good pigmented cream eyeshadow, Danessa Myricks has it. But yeah, I just really been enjoying this one just to put on my lips, and I like how it's not too pink. It's just a good everyday natural pinky rosy color, and a little bit of this goes a long way, y'all. You don't want to use too much because it is super pigmented, and you saw that I was just tapping it on my lips. But yeah, Cupcake. Another lip product that you guys have seen a lot on my channel recently because I'm always using it is the Bareminerals lip gloss balm in the shade Clarity, and it looks pink in the tube, but it's just a clear glossy balm. So right there, it's just clear. So I usually just put this on pretty much anytime before I do my makeup, at nighttime, in the morning time, just anytime really. But it's super comfortable, it's not sticky, and it's just a nice glossy lip. It's really glossy, so love that. And the last one I have to share is the new Laniege lip treatment balm. Now this actually comes with a doe foot applicator, you guys. You just pop it in and out right there. And this is what it looks like on the inside. So it looks white, but once you apply it, it goes on pretty clear, but it has this really pretty pink iridescent to it. Like, it's, hopefully I can get it where y'all can see what I'm talking about. But right there, see how it has a really pretty pink shift to it? And it smells just like pina colada. It smells so good, y'all. But yeah, that is the Laniege lip treatment balm. All right, so that is it. That is everything I have been loving recently. I hope you guys enjoyed. Did I share anything that you have already tried? If I did, what was the product? Do you like the product? Do you not like the product? Let's talk about it down below in the comments. But yes, girl, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a huge thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.